Okay, good morning to all. Myself, Dr. Surendra Roja. I am Associate Professor in the Department of Physiotherapy at MGPC. Today we are going to discuss about the biomechanics of the posture. So you can see the definition. Posture. We can first describe the posture definition. Posture is the attitude assumed by the body either with support during the muscular inactivity or by means of coordination of many muscle working to maintain stability. So you can see the introduction of posture. Posture we can divide into static or dynamic. Posture control, major goals or basic elements. So static and dynamic posture means static means body is in segment are aligned and maintained. Example in case of sitting or standing. Dynamic posture, body or its segment are moving like walking or running. So erect bipedal stance. What is erect bipedal stance? Advantage freedom of upper extremities. Disadvantage increased work of heart, increased stress on vertebral column, pelvis and lower extremities, reduced stability, small base of support and high center of gravity. So quadrupedal stance in case of animal, body weight is distributed between the upper and lower extremity in equal, large base of support and low center of gravity. This is a more stable base. You can see the difference between the bipedal erect stance or quadrupedal erect stance. So posture control, mainly posture control maintained by the you can see it is the person's ability to maintain stability of the body and its body segment in response to force that disturb the body's structure and equilibrium. So posture control depends on integrity of CNS, visual, vestibular and musculoskeletal system. It also depends on information from receptors located in and around the joint capsule, tendon and ligament and from the sole of the feet. So major goals and basic elements of the control. Major goals: control the body's orientation, maintain body center of gravity over the base of support, stabilize the head vertically, eye gaze in appropriate orientation. The absent or altered input. What will happen in case of absent or altered input? So in case of absent of normal gravitation force in weightless condition during the space flight occurs in decreased sensation of lower extremities. Altered output, in case of altered output, inability of the muscle to respond opposition to signal from the CNS. Muscle of the person in peripheral nerve damage. So muscle synergies. What is the muscle synergies? First we have to know about the perturbation. Perturbation is any sudden change in the condition that displays the body posture away from the equilibrium. Perturbation is two kind of perturbation: sensory or mechanical perturbation. So postural response to perturbation caused by either platform or by the pushes or pull or called reactive or compensatory response. This response also known as synergies or strategies. Synergies, fixed support synergy and change in support synergy. When your support is fixed and when your support is moving. So fixed support synergies means a pattern of muscle activity in which the base of support remain fixed during the perturbation and recovery of the equilibrium. Stability is regained through the movement of the part of the body, but they feel remain fixed on base of support, just like ankle synergy or hip synergy. So ankle synergies consist of discrete burst of muscle activity on either the anterior or posterior aspect of the body that occur in the distal to proximal pattern in response to forward and backward movement of the supporting platform respectively. You can see the ankle strategy in this picture, where your base of support is moving. So ankle strategy: anterior forward movement, posterior backward movement of the body, displacement of the body center of gravity posterior to the base of support. Use of ankle strategy: activation of dorsiflexion, hip flexors, abdominals or neck flexors, center of gravity back over the base of support and maintain stability. Just opposite of the anterior movement, posterior movement of the platform, anterior movement of the body and displacement of the body center of gravity anterior over the base of support. Body maintained through activation of plantar flexors, hip extensors, back of the extensors, or COG back over the base of support. Hip synergy consists of discrete burst of muscle activity opposite to ankle pattern in the proximal distal pattern of the activation. Change in support synergy: when your support is changed, what will happen, including stepping forward or backward movement of the step and grasping using one hand to grasp a bar or other fixed support in response to movement of the platform. Maintain stability in the instance of a large perturbation. Head stabilization strategies other than these strategies, ankle or hip. Proactive strategies occur in the anticipation of the initiation of internal generated force using in dynamic equilibrium situations. Maintain the head during the walking. Strategies of maintain the vertebral stability of the head. Head stabilization in space or head stabilization on the trunk. Head stabilization of space, modified of the head position in anticipation of displacement of the body COG. Head stabilization in trunk. Head and trunk move as a single unit. Thank you.